Hello guys, welcome to my channel The Box Opener. Today I am going to unbox the Ant Audio H86 wireless headphone, which I have bought from Amazon India, and the buying links are mentioned in the description. So guys, if you not subscribed yet, then please do so and press the bell icon to get the notification of all new videos. So let's unbox it and check the box contents. So this is the box itself. There is mentioned Treble H86, the Ant logo present here. The import details is mentioned here. As you can see, it is designed by Ant Audio Limited in United Kingdom and it's imported by Acro Engineering Company. The key features of H86 Ant Audio is mentioned here. As you can see, it is micro SD card supported. It is also dual pairing supported. It comes with a 3.5mm jack also. So let's unbox it and check what comes inside the box. So this is the headphone itself. We will get back to it later. Let me keep it aside. Let's see the other box contents. Here is the 3.5mm audio jack, the micro USB charging cable, the warranty card, the user manual, so now get back to the headset. Here you will get 3 buttons. The middle one is for turning on or off the headphone or play or pause the music, or you can also receive or reject any incoming or outgoing calls using this. The other 2 buttons, you can use it for changing the song or you can use it for adjust the volume level. Notification light present here. It will blink blue and red continuously until it is being paired, and after pairing it will only blink blue. It will continuously notify you red until it is fully charged while you will charge it. So this is the micro USB charging port, the 3.5mm audio port and the mic present here. You can also adjust the headphone length by just moving this. Cushioning of the headphone feels good and it's very soft. The outside area feels like a leather. The Ant logo present here. That's it guys. Thanks for watching and please do like, share and subscribe. Thank you.